Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the Diwali look which I am going to show you, and you will find it that this is so glamorous look. Since this is for Diwali look, so I have created a glamorous look which you are going to really like it. Okay, so this is the look, and the accessories I have taken it from either Nykaa or Amazon, which I will give you in comment box. I like to add one more thing that today I have firstly used the Huda Beauty foundation for this look, and really I am going to tell you my experience. I'll add it in a separate video and will give you the swatch too. And this is a super foundation. I mean, like I'm using lots of foundation, but this one was super. So effect you can see, and this actually matches my skin color. So I really like the look, and so happy Diwali to all of you and your family. Have a safe Diwali too. So let's go.
Before makeup, always use a facial oil. I am using a Good Vibes Silver Leaf one. Using the Wet n Wild Matte Primer. Using Huda Beauty foundation in shade Macchiato. It looks little bit white, but it will set in your skin. Using Maybelline Fit Me in Moen shade for setting my foundation. Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake is my all-time favorite for eyebrows. Using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for eye makeup base. And blending it well and setting with the translucent powder. Using NYX Ultimate Warm Palette for eyeshadow. Using the lightest shades as transition shades to my eyes. Always blend it with a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking little bit dark shade for a little bit color on my eyes and blend it well. Now taking a little bit dark shade and also blending it on my eye. Now taking the most dark shade in the palette and blending it on the corner of my eye. Now with the help of a flat tip brush and Maybelline concealer, I am creating the cat eye. I have completely drawn the cut eye and I am setting it with a translucent powder. I am using the Nikake Oh Honey Neon palette for fill up of the cut crease and filling it up with the yellow matte shade. Now I am taking the glitter shade and just tapping on over the cut crease and creating the glamorous look. Now taking the bronze glitter shade and using it just on the middle of my eye. Now taking the dark shade and just evens out any glitter over the cut crease. Using the same shade below my waterline to create a great look. Using the same glitter shade as highlighting to the eye on the corner and the brow bone. Using the Lakme Kajal for the waterline and creating a beautiful look. Blending the kajal with a flat brush and then applied eyeliner to create a great look. Now I have applied pack eyelashes and this is the look. Using the NYX contour palette for contouring my face. Using the Sibana highlighting break for creating a bronzing on my face. Using the Revolution Pro blush in shade peach on apple of my cheeks. And now coming to most favorite part of mine, that is highlighting, and I am using the Nykaa highlighting palette for this look. I am highlighting most highest part of my face and also nose and cupid brow. Using Maybelline Liquid Matte in shade 07 for my lips. I am contouring the lip with a Blue Heaven lip liner.
So this is the complete look, and if you really like it, do subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video. And one more thing, this is my YouTube channel and this is my Instagram profile link. If you really like my video, do subscribe my both Instagram and YouTube and like this video.